Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Sauce Saturday, so you know what? I'm going to show you how to make an extremely easy pizza sauce. If you have a bowl, olive oil, and tomatoes, you can make this. So let me show you how. Round up a mixing bowl and a 14-ounce can of tomatoes. All that I had in my pantry were diced tomatoes, but that'll work just fine. A can of San Marzanos, whole tomatoes, that would be preferable, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta work with what you've got. Use your hands or a food mill to break the tomatoes up, and this is what they should look like. You wanna have some texture. Moving right along, next up to bat, 2 cloves of minced garlic. And for your convenience, I'll put a list of the ingredients used for this recipe in the description section. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes. With easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Back to the sauce, add the 2 cloves of minced garlic to the bowl. Sticking with that no-hassle pantry-style pizza sauce recipe, some dried weeds, basil, 1 tablespoon. To this, you'll add a dash or 2 of oregano. And I'm telling you, this recipe, there is not much to it as you can see, but really, that's the beauty of it. Sometimes keeping things very simple is the best way to go. Pour in about 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of olive oil. Finish it off with some salt and some black pepper. Grab a spoon, give it all a mix, make sure that it's well combined. I like to let it sit on the countertop for about 4 hours, letting it marry those flavors, occasionally giving it a stir. Whenever it's time to make that homemade pizza in the evening, this from-scratch pizza sauce, made with pantry products, is ready to go. It's been a few hours, and now it's time to make that homemade pizza. This scratch sauce recipe is the perfect amount for 3 medium-sized homemade pizzas. Check out that pizza sauce though. After 4 to 5 hours, this is what it looks like. You have nice chunks of tomatoes. There's a little bit that's been broken down. The flavors, they've married together, all of the basil, the oregano, the garlic. It's a no-brainer type sauce that's very, very easy to make, and it tastes absolutely phenomenal. Drop some of the sauce onto the dough, but don't overdo it. If you do, you'll have a soggy pizza. Add your favorite toppings to the mix. I'm throwing on some pepperoni and some orange bell peppers. Add some cheese, round up your pizza peel, and get ready to pop this pizza into the oven. And voila, there you have it. A homemade pizza made with a pantry-style pizza sauce that was extremely easy to make. The only thing left to do, slice this bad boy up and dive in. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and hit that like button. And if you happen to like sauces and gravies, well, smash that subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques, and be sure to hit the all notifications bell. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. And until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.